So this is a video about this UX UI Pro Max designer created by Next Level Builders. This is an AI skill that provides design intelligence for providing professional UI UX across multiple platforms and frameworks. Guys, if you're into AI vibe coding, you know that coming up with beautiful, good looking website designs, UI and UX designs is difficult. Most of the times when you're designing a UI, you end up getting the same exact looking UIs, just like everyone else. There's just generic same looking website designs and UX experiences. This new AI skill that provides your agent with the design intelligence that helps you build and design beautiful, good looking UIs. This is powerful because it has all the things that you need to design beautiful, good looking websites. So here, if you come on their website, here nicely like this is a website. You can see here it says it's specialized in UI UX design. So hence the name UIUX Pro Max. Design intelligence. This is really good. So this gives you everything you need for a beautiful UI. They say you can design. It has design styles, color palettes, typography, chart types, landing patterns, UX guidelines, all the things that you need to come up with a beautiful, good looking UI. It works with the different tech stacks. Initially they're saying 8 tech stacks supported. You can use it in React web projects, Swift UI, React Native, Flutter, and Tailwind. And when you scroll down here, you're going to see that they built things with it. Look at this website. It looks really clean, really beautiful, and also beautifully done. When you look at this, you might think it's not AI which built this, but this is clean, right? Unique also. It doesn't look generic like these other web pages that you would get when you're using AI. These AI agents, they're not very smart to create something unique. Though, yeah, that might change very soon in future because they are improving every day. But when you have a tool like this is a skill, and it works in Antigravity, and you can use it in Claude, and most of the AI tools they do actually work very well with this Pro-CLI. So if you want to install it, just run this command here. You can just come here and type npm install-g UI Pro-CLI. This is a simple command that you can run to initiate this. This works in all these AI coding agents: Claude Code, Cursor, Windsound, Antigravity, .agents plus .share. This is really good. Right now, I have Antigravity open. Let me show you how I activated this. I have the agent folder, and I also have the I have the shared /UIUX Pro Max. I just activated this, and the way I did that, I used the terminal, and these are the two commands that I ran. Number one, I ran npm install g. Let me just show you this properly here. I ran npm install g UI Pro CLI, and it installed 23 packages, and 17 packages are low. Okay, you see this. Then secondly, I ran UI Pro init -AI Antigravity. This is just to tell it that I'm running this in AI. So install and download all these files necessary for this skill to work. And it went ahead and downloaded all these things accordingly. So initially it installed the folders in Antigravity and also in shared. When you come here, you're going to see that now I have the shared UIUX Pro Max, and when I come here, I have 2 folders in it, right? I have the data, which gives me all the things and the stack that it might work in, very possibly very well. React, performance, prompts, blah 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 blah, the styles, CSV, everything that you might need for styling, everything is here. So this is pretty good. And also in the agent, I already have skills that I use. I will share with you if you ask in the comments. What it does in here, it creates a workflow for the UI, and it's here, the UIUX Pro Max. This is the MD that it created. So in here, it creates this beautiful, powerful, good looking UIUX Pro Max. See? Everything that you need for designing beautiful, good looking workflow, yeah, it's there. But also when you come in here, I have the UI UX design stuff that are really powerful. But yeah, that is what it does. So I want you to try it out. Use it to create anything, and you tell me what you think about it. This is a powerful skill. Use it to your advantage. Otherwise, you miss out from a lot of things and opportunities that skills like this provide.